Phones have become an important part of our life, and we are much depend on it. And while walking or playing, accidentally it fell in water. So what to do in case that happened to you? Should you turn it on, or should you put in uncooked rice? If you want to know, let's look in this video. First is to remove quickly your phone from water and try to jerk or shake your phone to remove some water that are inside. Number 2, power down your phone and do not try to restart or turn on because it may lead to short circuiting or damage the inside of your phone. Number 3, remove the battery and any other removable pieces, but most of the phones nowadays, back panel are steel, so just remove only the SIM card and memory card. Number 4, if you have a hair dryer, use it so that it will dry up the water that are present inside, or you can just place the phone in a dry area where ventilation are present. Number 5, put your phone in uncooked rice and do not try to turn it on. Give your phone few days to dry up, as the uncooked rice will absorb all the water from your phone. These are the few tips in which you can save your phone from water damaging.